Now it is time to discuss the unfiltered bull market reality that we are living through right in front of our very eyes here. Just take a look at this. Nothing on this video is financial advice, so always do your own research. We are seeing the biggest bull market of perhaps our entire generation, perhaps that we have ever seen of all time. Just look at this. Each and every minute, in fact, that I am filming this video, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, right, and all the US stock markets continue making all-time highs. New all-time highs every single day. In fact, the rally here is unprecedented banana zone parabolic pump that we haven't even seen in the US markets going back 5 years, 10 years, ages, guys. Even since the 2008 crisis, we did not see a parabolic bull market blow off top rally that we're seeing, that we're seeing now, right? And this is trillions of dollars of market cap moving with the tech stocks such as Nvidia, okay, and Intel and all of the other AI related boom stocks leading the market higher and exploding. And Bitcoin, many people are saying Bitcoin is not responding, but if we look closely and carefully, guys, Bitcoin has just pumped from 80k to 81k in the space of just a few seconds right here on the chart. It is responding to this bull market pump that's happening in real time. So this could be a signal warning, guys, that the crypto market is about to accelerate and explode to the moon, because one of these markets is lying here. Either the stock markets are at all-time highs and they are about to crash, right? The S&P 500, the Nasdaq, look at this, they're all up every single day, guys. They're increasing over 1% a day, so it's like a percentage every single day, daily. It's like, or even more than that. Even the other day, yesterday, it was up over 2% in a single day. And Bitcoin is going to catch up now and do a fast catch-up trade, or Bitcoin is going to dump as well, rather. Or if these stocks keep continuing this bull market rally, Bitcoin is going to catch up. Anyway, you guys know what I mean, and this is why it's important to be subscribed to the channel, turning on the bell notifications, and being in touch with the market, guys. The dollar is showing strength and going up here, okay, and that is a critical part of the markets. The way bonds, across the countries are currently responding. Okay, because we do have this one problem here in the Japanese bond market. So the bond markets globally, Japan here is facing the biggest crisis. Just look at the 10-year yield and the 30-year yield going to crisis levels. Currencies are losing value every day, and the one that is losing the most value, arguably here, is the Japanese yen. Look at this. This is about to hit another low and lose so much value, which is another reason why the dollar is pumping. Now, oil is still here at 100, and we do have gold at 4,700 and ready to potentially continue pumping higher to new all-time highs and rallying, as well as silver, guys. This could happen at any moment, or they could, in fact, continue going sideways, right? The precious metals here. So let us take a closer look at the crypto markets, guys. We're nearly at 50. We just hit 50 here, the fear and greed index, currently hovering around 49, and Bitcoin here, 81,000, Ethereum, 2,300. We do have BNB nearly at 700 again, guys, and Solana back up to $92 and getting close to $100 here now. Clearly you can see all these old coins are in the green and pumping. Even Hyperliquid is up 8% today in one day. If we take a closer look, for example, if you look at these altcoin charts, they're having these huge daily pumps. So this is actually what a lot of the altcoins are looking like now, coming back to life. It's not to say all of them are going to recover, but the best ones that we gave you early, like Canton, as you can see, are leading the way, which is up. Canton is up to 8% here on the day, the strongest performer. Zcash, Monero, right, all of the strongest coins, and the narratives seem to be coming back. If we look at the meme coin sector, we got Dogecoin up 3%, and Shiba and some of these other coins up 4%, 2%, and so forth today. We saw Bobo coin is coming back, 641% up, but apparently people put their money in and the liquidity is gone because it got migrated, so be careful with some of these old ones. The DeFi statistics, guys, 85.1 billion, that's 85.168, okay, that is across DeFi Llama and of course all of the DeFi system. And we do have DeFi Llama showing that Hyperliquid continues to be in the lead by 24 hours, $1.5 million of real fees and revenue generated on this blockchain, on this platform, guys. It is pretty unreal. It is surreal. Tron, which is about to hit a new all-time high, has generated 1.2 million in fees. Then Solana third, then Ethereum, BNB chain, and then EdgeX and Bitcoin, and then Lighter just behind. Now, if you want to see with your own eyes, take a closer look at Tron, for example. Tron continues to be on a steam engine rampage, as you can see right here, going to the moon faster than any other cryptocurrency altcoin. Why is this happening? No one really has any idea. But nothing can seem to be stopping this train to going back to all-time high now, which would be another 27%. Keep an eye on this one. Very juicy stuff developing. So yeah, the blockchain TVLs are filling up. The fees are increasing on the blockchains, right? On the respective different blockchains. Even there are 3 coins in the privacy narrative which are suddenly waking up. We have We have Night here, which is on Cardano, or Midnight token, which has recently started pumping. We also have Railgun, which is on Ethereum, a privacy-related altcoin, pumping up here. And Zera, which is another privacy-related altcoin on Solana, this one, pumping up. So these are all privacy coin rivals. We have meme coin rivals for the Solana and meme ecosystem. Pump seems to be dying off here a bit lately. But if you keep your eye on the actual meme coin narrative, and we'll see if it comes back. Because a lot of you guys love meme coins, and there are some crazy coins. So just when you think all the altcoins are dead, guys, it could be a sign that the industry is showing life. As always, it is highly risky, but with great risk comes great reward, and the altcoins do have that power to deliver greater returns than anywhere else. So if this bull market narrative does continue, guys, we'll hopefully see more money coming into crypto. Now, at the moment, this is the total cryptocurrency market cap. It is rising up, and then this here is the total too, right? This is the total too. So a closer look, and then this with the total 3 is the closer look at the meme coins, the altcoins and how they're rising. If we exclude the stable coins, we can see it's still quite low down here, but it has recently broke out. So it's showing the same pattern as Bitcoin in terms of altcoin recovery in the crypto market. The others chart, which is the other altcoins, also breaking out, and then the others dominance is still quite low over here. So keep an eye on that. USDT dominance is breaking down, which is good on what we like to see in terms of altcoins. Ethereum is still not really doing much. Solana not doing much, but Sui, I thought I saw a pump in Sui. Let's check. Did it come back alive? There we go. Sui has actually broken up now. Look at this pump. So Sui, guys, just when you thought it was dead from the low, has already pumped 80%. So that is massive. And now it's done back down. So 54% up from the lows already for Sui. So that is huge. Could Sui be coming back to life here? And this is just an example of many of these coins, guys, which are responding again and coming back. So you can't say that crypto is dead. You can't say that the industry is never going to have an altcoin surge again. We could be seeing a massive altcoin surge in front of us if this market follows the tech stocks. Just look at Nvidia, guys. This is just unbelievable. This is trillions and trillions of market cap getting added in this pump, in these stock market pumps. It's truly incredible. And this is what all the AI stocks look like at the moment. They look like parabolic pumps. So this is hundreds of billions getting added each day of market cap. So this is nothing to be ignoring here. This is a full-fledged bull market that we're in. The US money M2 money supply continues to expand, and the balance sheet. This balance sheet is going up, guys, each month. Look at this. So when you think the Fed has started to lower their balance sheet, like when it goes down, like here, we can see it just turns into a step and then it goes back up again. Down here, turns into a step, and then they print more money than they have actually removed from the supply again. So they are buying bonds, and they are going to inject more money than ever before and pump this to a new all-time high, even if they pretend they're not. This is the bond buying program, or the quantitative easing, that has started up again, guys, when nobody was paying attention. And in the past few months, it has started to explode the market upwards. If this goes back up to the all-time high and makes a new all-time high, then we could see the biggest bull market ever. As always, nothing is a guarantee. This is all speculation. Take it all with a grain of salt, as always. But if you want to keep up to date with the latest market moving and altcoin news, then you subscribe to the channel, you turn on the bell notifications, and we will keep you up to date here. Bitcoin in real time has just crossed $81,000. Thank you guys so much for joining us, as always, here on this channel, and we will see you guys soon in the next videos.